Welcome to this new tutorial, which is about how to update Mea-familia. You will be notified that an update for Mea-familia is available on the login screen. Log in and go to the administration section of Mea-familia using the retractable menu. As you can see, you also find a message informing you of the availability of an update. We recommend that you back up your database before any update by clicking on Back up the database. The backup is done automatically. A window prompts you to save the file to your hard disk. Do it. We can now update Mea-familia. Click on Mea-familia Update. A window opens. Find the update file on your hard disk, and click Open. The installation is done automatically. It can take several minutes depending on the speed of your computer or server. Once the update is complete, Mea-familia will tell you that it is up to date. Finish by deleting the temporary files. Now you know how to update Mea-familia. See you soon.